In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the marker lights on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Underneath, we'll take this shield off using an 8mm socket. Take these bolts out. Take these two bolts out, use an 8mm socket. Do the same on the other side. Now take this panel down, take the socket out, you just grab it, twist it, it slides right out. If you need to replace the bulb, just want to pull it straight out. This is a 194 bulb. Now to get the light assembly out, right there where this clips in, you can try squeezing this together with some needle nose pliers. I'm just taking a trim tool, prying on the inside. Like this. Let's try to squeeze those together. There we go. I'm going to separate that. The light's going to slide out. And the backing's going to slide out as well. On the back of the new one, you just want to squeeze this, just like coming out. Slide this off. Just like that. This is going to go on the back side here. Just like that. Just hold that. I'm going to put this part in first. You're going to slide that in. With those apart, take the light, slide that in place like that. Take the backing, slide this part on. Just like that. And then lock it down. Take the light socket. Slide that in place. And twist it to the right. Take this panel and line it up. Get that lined up and get the screws started. And tighten these all down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.